Hey guys. Okay, let's try that again. So, good afternoon. Hey class, Absolute 5 here. So, we're back again reviewing calculus. So last time we were talking about derivatives of polynomials, of a whole bunch of other things I can't remember. We're up to the second part of the derivatives. I just forgot to add one more thing to it, and that's the derivative of cosine and sine. Now, there's a long proof that shows how the derivative of sine is cosine and the derivative of cosine is minus sine. Now, I could show you that, but it's a long proof and it's very tedious. So, for argument's sake, take my word for it that the derivative of sine is cosine and the derivative of cosine is negative sine, okay? So let's write that out. So let's say y is with respect to x. So when I take y prime, which is the derivative of sine, it's going to be cosine x. And if I said y is equal to cosine x, y prime is negative sine x. So that's the idea. Remember these derivatives. These are going to be very important to know in the future whenever we get to further derivatives. So let's use a basic example of how to do a derivative with sine and cosine. So let's see. So the example would say, find the derivative of y equals 3 sine theta. Now theta is just x. It's just some variable, okay? So don't freak out when you see the Greek letter theta. 4 cos theta. Okay. So remember, theta is just a variable like x. So when we find y prime, or in this case, d theta, what we're doing is, when we take the derivative of d theta of 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta, right? We remember by the distributive law, you're able to distribute the derivative into each function, and you're able to move the constant out in front. So it should look like 3 d theta sine theta plus 4 d theta cos theta. And then remember what I said just a few moments ago, the derivative of sine is cosine, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine theta. So, if we remember, this would be 3 cos theta, positive times negative, negative, and then you just have 4 times sine, which is just negative 4 sine theta. So, ideally, you want to remember all these derivatives, not just these two. There's a whole bunch of them, and I'm still not finished with the derivatives. So, instead of making this a several-part video, it would just be as you go, and eventually I'll just put them all in the playlist for you guys, okay? So that's the lesson for you guys today. If you have any questions about anything about math or in general, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know how I'm doing. Also, if you like the content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you like the content in my channel, all you have to do is simply hit the bell button besides the subscribe button so you can get more content notifications from me. So this has been Absolute 5. I'm Raja Palomino, and math is infinite because there are infinitely many possibilities.